such a beautiful day outside. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. So cute. Hi Daddy. Like a little fluffy teddy bear. He's not really that fluffy. So cute. Aren't you so cute? I'm in the Virgin Islands right here. It's nice, steady. This is Chloe. That's Scooby. Where is Snowy? Yeah, this is the Virgin Islands. Yeah, it's like Hawaii. So cute. What's wrong? What's wrong? Say hi. My hands are getting dirty. Who's that? I don't know. Is that coming? Come. Come. Daddy. Daddy. Why are you sitting down? Come. You want a belly rub? Oh, you want the belly rub. Chloe, stop. I'm so cute. Leave your comments down below to see what dog you like the most. There's more dogs, but I don't call them out because I'm too lazy. Anyways, I'm heading back inside. Oh, bye.